We got another package from Lazada, and it's yeah, probably our biggest since the audio gear set. All right, buksan na natin. Handa na ako. Sealed na sealed ah. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko umpisa ng gunting ko rito eh. Well, as they say in ROTC, if you can't look for an opening, you make one. Kapal! Sa akin na lang. There's another one. Ito mukhang mas madali ng guntingin to. Yeah, just as I thought. Pagano pala to? Wrong side pala. This is the the manual food processor na in order namin just a few days ago. Kasi we had an accident dahil yung luma naming food processor, yung maliit na Black & Decker, bumigay na after so many years of usage. So, at saka gusto pa namin makatipid sa kuryente, that's why we bought this. Okay? So, assemble na natin. Let's see the parts. Okay, ito yung fender attachment. Ito yung pag ganon. Some grating attachments, and their famous egg white separator. Okay, so dito mo lalandingin yung pula. Hindi ka naman gagawin sa shells. This is the food processor itself. Tamang-tama. Suction ng may suction base siya. So wala siyang danger of getting you involved in an accident. Okay. So let's take a look at the inside. Okay. The bowl, and you got 5 blades na taas. Natakot ako magtanggal dito. Yung sa taas na yan. Yung pinakataas. Okay. So okay, solid siya. Hindi siya natatanggal. I don't want to cut myself. Yun nga lang, madali. So, let's try assembling it now. Okay. So, white separators here. This goes here. Ngayon kung gusto kong mag-blend ng flour, itlog. Okay. Ito sigurado gagamitin ko. Hindi hindi pwedeng ano. Fine grater. Coarse grater kasi mas malaki. And yung slicer. All I have to do is slot siya rito. Madaling ilagay ito. Okay. Baligtad pala. Yung mas solid. Okay. The slicer attachment. Madaling nga tanggalin. And for the egg white separator, ganyan lang. Now for the lever itself. Bakit tatlo ito? Okay. Let's see if it's ergonomically sound. All 5 blades are moving. They are okay. Tatlo kasi butas, guys. Okay. First one is here. Blades are moving. So one is for speed. Okay. To determine kung ano speed, so tatlong ikot per slot. Okay. Unahin natin ito. 1, 2, 3. Mabagal. Ito naman. Mas mabilis. Ito naman sa dulo. Pinakamabilis. Okay, so we now know how to use it. Alright. Ganda to. And let's take the stability test. Alright. Lalagay ko sa pinakamabilis na setting. Okay, subukan natin kung talagang di gagalaw to. Ako, wala. Pinatong ko lang dito, guys. Alright? Let's do this. Oh! Suction nga! Okay? I'm only using one hand, guys. My hand is on the phone right now taking this video. So, I only have one hand free. Stable! Wow! Talaga stable siya. Galing ah. And it's so affordable. Teka. Hindi pala ganun kadaling tanggalin. Pero anyway, stability is important when it comes to cooking and baking. Okay. Delivery and promptness. Again, 2 days. I placed the order for this just 2 days ago. Very prompt ang seller, very prompt din ang delivery service ng Lazada. Wala. Okay, sampahin ng Lazada pagdating sa delivery and promptness. Mas mabilis sila ngayon, guys. Okay, sila mas mabilis ngayon. So ano ang final verdict natin for this manual food processor? Ay, salamat. Makakaluto na ako ng mga keto recipes again. Good times are here again when it comes to keto. 2 thumbs up! Ayan na pa nga ba guys? SOP na. Link in the pinned comment.